mga besikos! So, for today's video, ay i-recreate natin tong makeup look na ginawa ng aking dearest friend na si Clarice Joy Samson. Hi, Ben! Miss you! So, without further ado, let's get straight to the video. Let's go! So, of course, kailangan natin i-prime ang ating face para pakak ang kapit ng ating foundation ng makeup. So, I'm gonna use the C Makeup Stay Put Prime and setting spray. Kasi itong setting spray ng C Makeup is hindi lang siya nakakapag-set ng makeup but also can prime your face. So, 2-in-1 na siya. So, tingnan natin. Dikit na dikit siya, ma! So, after nyo ma-set, let's move forward sa ating base. So, I'm gonna use the Hexy na Brightening Long-Lasting Cushion Foundation in the shade. I forgot this shade. Pero, hanapin ko siya. I think mga natural siya. Ito, waterproof na siya and sobrang long-lasting. So, dab natin ang ating puff. Then, idadab natin here sa takip para medyo tanggal yung excess. Then, ilalagay muna natin siya sa ating cheeks. Then, blend na. Kita nyo? Ah! Grabe! Huyo kayo, ma. Grabe. So, next, I'm gonna use concealer, the shade 27 from Maybelline to highlight some high points and cover the eye bags na aking pinaghirapan. She does this and this, and I'm gonna add a little lamp here on the eyes and blend. So next will be liquid blush. So I'm torn between these two, Fresh Shiny Multi-Use Cream and the DC Formulation Soft Creamy Blush. I'm gonna use this one. Pero ito guys, warning, little goes a long way. So, wala. Dot lang talaga. Yan. Then, blend. See? Do not smile kapag naglalagay ng blush kasi mag-ano siya dyan. So, dab lang, guys. It goes a long way sa product na to. Kaya, super worth it. I think around 80 pesos lang po. And mabango siya. May siyang watermelon. So, hindi gumamit si CJ ng cream contour. Pero I want to try this bronzer pala. From Easy. Thanks, guys. So, in the shade Blaze. Na ito ay Deep Sienna Bronze. So, let's watch this. Meron siyang shimmer eh. I don't think kasi kung magko-complement siya sa aking skin tone. So, I want to try this. So, let's do it. So, I'm gonna use this brush. And dab. And dab here. Kasi brush to. You can work this out. What do you guys think? Na-blend ko naman siya. Natin dito. I don't know if bagay. Pero well, we can work this out naman. Next will be powder. So I'm gonna use the face powder. Face powder ba siya? Basta yung Lewis and something na powder. So I'm gonna dab it all over my face. All over my face. Set everything. But you can have another option using the face powder. So for me, I'm gonna use this Showwill Skin Lightening Powder na may oil control and the shade number 3. So para ma-blend ng maayos ang ating face powder, I'm gonna use this one. Then, all over my face then. And to make things exciting, I will use this set under my eyes. O, diba? Mat na ang face ni bakla. Then next, she did contour. But, yeah, I'm gonna use naman the Squad Cosmetics na contour and blush. The shade hits different. So, for me, I'm gonna use this one. Kasi nag-warm na tayong bronzer. Yeah, I'm gonna use this cool tone one to contour my face and all over the world. So, I'm gonna contour my nose first. O, diba? Kita niyo ilong ko? Tumangos yarn. So, medyo nagka-bunny nose sa ate mo, girl. Pakak. Asa babae siya. Then, nag-contour na rin ako ng face. Then, next ay nag-blush on na siya. So, using the same palette, I'm gonna use this blush. Dab lang upwards. Dab upwards. Then, after that, we're going to do the eyebrows. We use this one. The pink blush na eyebrow pencil. I forgot the shade of this one. Fill in my brows. I-blend na natin siya. Using spoolie. I-blend na natin siya. Blend. And to set my brows, we're gonna use the Focallure na eyebrow gel. Shade 03. So, sa dulo muna, para yung pigment, hindi nakakakulat sa harap. Now, for the eyelids, torn between using this EB, sobrang tagal na sa akin, and this one, this Ashley Shine. Pero according dito sa kanyang video, it's more like an orangey shade. So, I think we can use this one. This one. So, yun ang ating gagamitin for our eyes. As I observe, more on, ano lang siya, parang single color na solid din, shimmer. So, ang gagawin muna natin ay lalagyan natin ng contour yung ating eyes. Using this brown here. So, lagyan muna natin here, then, yeah, lalagyan lang muna natin ng depth. And now, blend na natin siya. Then now, using a fluffy brush, ano to? Ididip na natin siya sa orange. Then top, then all over. The lids. Medyo orange na ating eyes. So, lagyan natin siya ng shimmer. Dab lang natin. And now, sa isang bagay hindi ako proud, eyeliner. So, I'm gonna use the pink flash na eyeliner para maglagay ng tungkil. So, yung tungkil niya is nanlalaban. At hindi ko kaya yun. So, ito-try natin yung best. Ito-try ko yung best ko para maging maayos yung tungkil na gagawin ko. So, next na ginawa niya ay falsies. I'm gonna use this one from Coco Winnie. So, i-curl muna natin ang ating eyelash. Then, falsies na. Oh, di ba? Nasalba kahit paano ng ating falsies. So, i-curl lang natin siya para medyo pakak. Di ba? So, sa video ni Maring CJ ay nag-highlight ng under eye, di ba? Yung pencil. Pero kasi ako wala akong ganon. So, mag-move forward tayo sa pag-highlight ng ating face. I'm using the same palette from Squad. I'm gonna use the highlighter one to highlight the highest points. So, like here, gitna ng ating contour. Here, sa ating bridge. Dito. Yan. Then, dito, sa ating taas ng blush. Fuck. Yan. 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 Then here. Then dito sa inner corner ng ating eyes, I'm gonna use the beauty finger para ma-highlight. Ay, love it. I love it. I love it. Yan! And lipstick. But first, need ko munang i-moisturize ang aking lips. So, I'm gonna use the Dr. Sensitive ni Tinted Lip Oil, shade Guava. Actually, pwede na to. For the lip base, I'm gonna use Joko na lipstick. But I'm not sure if anong shade. Let's try to swatch it. This is number 5. Number 5 and number 8. Number 5. This number 5. I'm gonna use number 5 kasi more on natural shade siya sa aking lips. For finishing touches, C Makeup setting spray. So, yeah. So, papatayuin lang natin siya. And I'll do some finishing touches and I'll be back. Tada! Diba parang wala naman nagbago, nagkabangsang si Bakla. Pero I did my best. I did my best to recreate CJ's makeup look. Pero yeah, ito lang ating nakayanan. So, the products that I use ay nasa aking showcase. Pero, makaka. Wow! Anyway, I did my best to recreate CJ's makeup look. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Wow, YouTuber. So, see you on my next makeup video. I think mauna nyo makikita to sa TikTok ko. Kung alam niyo yung TikTok ko. Ah! Yeah. Or I think mauna to or mauna ang YouTube. And thank you for watching. See you guys on my next video. Bye!